Hi guys, Becki-licious here. And I want to make a nice, refreshing dessert. So we are going to make something yummy. So come on, let's do it. All right, so we are going to make a really simple, really yummy lemon pudding pie. So I've already got one of my boxes of pudding mixes in here. Because we need 2 of those. So I'm adding my second one now. And that's what intrigued me about this, is that it looked so simple and yummy. So we're going to add some lemon juice and then our 2 cups of milk, of course. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get this whipped up. This is going to take about a minute or so. All right, we've got this pudding pie mix all done up. So we're going to get this over into our pie crust. But while we're doing that, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and definitely click on that link tree for some other fun stuff, okay? All right, let me get these over out of the way because we got to get the remainder of this off of, because, you know, I got to try it soon. Oh, lemon yumminess. Lemon yumminess. All right, so we are going to take a little bit of this, and I've already got a graham cracker crust. Like I said, I'm all about just trying to make it as easy as possible. That's what this is all about. Something to just whip up real fast. This would be great in the springtime, maybe taking it over to one of your neighbors to welcome them. This just seems like such a refreshing, yummy, simple pie. So that's what we were wanting. All right, so we've got this bottom part. So now I got to run over and I got to grab my Cool Whip, okay? All right, got our Cool Whip. So now we're going to bring this over. We're going to add some Cool Whip to our pudding mix. This Cool Whip into the remaining pudding mixture, about yay much. And then we're going to very slowly get this incorporated all together before we move on to our next step. All right, so this Cool Whip is all incorporated with the rest of our pudding. So now we're going to take the rest of this and put it into the graham cracker crust on top of that original layer of pudding, of lemon pudding. Lemon. Oh, doesn't that look yummy? All right. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, this is going to be amazing. All right, now we're going to put a little bit of this Cool Whip on top for our last layer. So tell me this isn't going to be nice and refreshing. So excited about this. All right, so we just got to get this all spread around. How exciting. All right, this lemon pudding pie, everything is all ready. Now we are just going to go put this in the refrigerator and let it set for about 2 hours, okay? See you back here in a little bit. All right, this lemon pudding pie has been in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. So I think it's time to check it out and see. Yummy. So we're just going to put a little bit of lemon zest along the top for a little bit of decoration and a little bit of extra oomph, flavor. All right, there we go. It's time to cut a piece of this pie out and try it. Doesn't this lemon pudding pie look amazing? I'm so excited to try it because it looks so good. Ready? Here we go. Oh, yummy. That's yum. That is really, really, really yummy. That would be ideal in the summertime for sure. A nice, cool and refreshing dessert without having to bake it in the oven. Double thumbs up, that's for sure. So there you go. Another fun adventure in the kitchen. I hope you guys had fun because I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.